Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install Adobe Photoshop free in Windows 10. Yes, using Adobe Photoshop we can make image editing, adjustment, filters, effects and borders. In this video I would like to share how to download and install Adobe Photoshop. It is 100% free in Windows 10. Let me check how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just search in Google Microsoft Play Store. So once I enter Microsoft Play Store, what is there in the Google Play Store, we can install the application. Similarly, Windows has provided Microsoft Play Store. So this is the official Microsoft Play Store website. On here right hand side you will find a search box. Once you click search box, just type Adobe Photoshop. So once you type Adobe Photoshop, there will be a different kind of option. Adobe Photoshop Elements, Adobe Lightroom, everything will come here. Just choose Adobe Photoshop Express, that is I told you image editor adjustment. So once you select means automatically Adobe Photoshop Express will be open here. So it is 100% free given from Microsoft. So without any other paying app, we can use this free application. So just click a get option. So once you click a get option, automatically it will direct you to the open Microsoft Store. So if you want to click a direct link, click the description box. I have given the direct link to download that option. So once you click means automatically your software will be downloaded here. Yes, so here there will be a Microsoft Play Store. So just click install. Once I click install, automatically my application, that is Adobe Photoshop Express application, will be installed in my laptop. Yes, within a few seconds my application is installed in my laptop. So if you click launch, automatically your application will be launching over here. So as you see, this is my application. So first you need to check atmosphere, remove atmospheres, so haze and fogs, and remove noise from this to this clear, and you can make a remove red eye, so you can have a cool and get look. So everything you can make it whatever you want, you can make. So you can make a professional look of your photographs. Everything you can make. I would like to demonstrate on that so that you can able to aware. So just click next option. So once you click next option, automatically get start will be start over here. So if some people will ask, some user will ask the login, so just to give you a Gmail account and password, automatically it will enter into the option. So here there will be a camera and photo library. So if your laptop has camera, you want to take a photograph and check and edit means you can select camera, otherwise you can select a photo library. I would like to select a photo library and I would like to demonstrate on that. I just choose some other photographs. So this photographs I would like to make a different kind of looks. So here there will be a basic look option is given from Microsoft. This is a normal, this is a vibrant, so you can increase. So what is 100% it just look good, so you can give a different kind of effects. So within a photo you can give a winter and all kind of cool look you can give. So if you want to undo that, just click that, it will be undo automatically. So this is a basic look. So if you want to charm and black and white, everything will be available. So you can increase the amount of the things, so you can decrease the amount of thing. So whatever theme you are applying, everything will be applied in your photographs. So if you want to look like a black and white model of your photographs, so if you want to give a detailed one, or you want to reduce a detail, so you can give. So different kind of photographs. With photographs you can make an alignment of adjustment, everything you can make it. So as you see, so original photographs and differentiate between original and so whatever you're working as a photo filtering option. So Photoshop is given. So Microsoft has provided Adobe or Photoshop Express. Use this option, you can have a nature look or whatever portrait look, and so pop colors, you want to have pop colors, to add pop colors with orange. So you want to increase a little bit of orange in your face. So everything will be applied, so you can have a cool look. For example, if I want to crop the image, I just click here to crop my image. Once I click a crop, automatically crop option will be displayed over here. So I can crop, so wherever I want I can crop, and I can click OK. So this will be cropped over here. So this is a original one, this is a free size, so you can straighten and you can rotate your thing and flip to horizontal, rotate left and right, or whatever option you can give. And you can create your Facebook profile picture also. So just select, this is a Facebook profile picture, Facebook cover picture, and Facebook ad, everything. So from Instagram post you want to create, Twitter post you want to create, so YouTube thumbnails you want to create, everything defaultly Photoshop is given to you. So you can use this option. You can adjust your corrections you want to express. So you want to give a contrast, you want to give highlights, so whatever things you can make it according to your. So this is a beautiful software which I found out from the Play Store, Microsoft Play Store. It will useful for you. So you can able to try and you can able to give your best comments in the Howxt comment box. Yes, so now it is almost my photographs are ready. I would like to post in the YouTube thumbnail or anywhere else I can make it. So just click here, you can share and save. Just click save option. So once you click save option, you can able to save your file. So it is a beautiful option. So using this option you can able to save your file and you can able to look so how you did. So this is a photograph work what I did in Adobe Photo Express with the freeware. So using this I can freely download from Windows. So this is a photo, so I have changed like this, so I can post it in any other social media. Every sizes are given there. So use that option. You can get your own reality photographs you can make and you can share with your friends. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my Howxt channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.